Hello, this is my first video. This is RyReviews stuff. Today we're going to be reviewing this Moshi voice-activated alarm clock. It's interesting. So here's the power cord. It just plugs in back here. So I'm just going to plug it into my power bar. Then we're going to plug it in there. So as you can see, it turns on.
Voice trigger mode is enabled.
Ooh, cool. Let's see the time. It's 6:11 right now, so I'm gonna set it.
Welcome. Command, please.
Set time. Is that setting the time? No? Oh, here's all the commands on the back, so. I'm just gonna reset it by unplugging it. So, let's go set time.
Voice trigger mode is enabled.
Okay.
Welcome. Command, please.
Set time.
To set the time, just say the current time. For example, 5:07 p.m. Tell me the current time.
8:14 p.m.
The time is now set to 8:14 p.m.
Shoot, I meant 6:14, but okay. Okay.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
8:17.
The alarm is now set to 5:00 a.m.
Great job, Moshi. Ooh, it has today's date, the temperature. Let's see what date this is.
Command, please.
Today's date.
Today is Tuesday, January 1st, 2008.
You can see how old this is.
Command, please.
Temperature.
The temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ooh, it's pretty warm in here.
Command, please.
Help.
You can say time, set time, alarm, set alarm, alarm sound, sleep sound, play sleep sound, today's date, temperature, nightlight, or help. In between the alarm, say turn off the alarm.
Okay. Let's
The alarm is off.
Okay, let's say sleep sound.
Command, please.
Sleep sound.
To choose a sleep sound, say sound 1, sound 2, or sound 3.
Sound 3. It's pretty good.
Command, please.
Alarm sound.
Sorry, I didn't recognize your command.
Alarm sound.
To choose an alarm sound, say alarm 1, alarm 2, or alarm 3.
Oh! Alarm 3. Okay. Okay, this concludes this. This is a pretty stupid thing. Oh, there's voice command. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Ooh, that's really cool.
Voice trigger mode is enabled.
Okay. So this concludes Moshi, the interactive voice response alarm clock. That concludes Moshi, and let's conclude this review. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and leave a comment down in the comment section for a chance to get a shout out. Our newest subscriber will get a shout out at the beginning of each video. And I don't have any subscribers yet, so let's find out who is the next one. Bye.